Well, down here with my friend Art. Y'all remember Art, aka Slim. We're down here on the creek and we're chasing the white bass, throwing that. I got a 1 ounce rooster tail, white rooster tail on, and what do you got, 116 or
1/8?
We're both throwing a 1/8 white rooster tail. I don't even know if I'm in frame. I forgot my camera. Trip started off like that, so left my GoPro laying in the back of my truck, jumped in his truck, and we left. Got the phone going. Second cast, he caught about a 3-pound white bass. And no footage, so blame that one on me. But we're gonna fish, see what we can do. Yeah.
I know that's frustrating.
No camera, but we're gonna see what we can do with the phone mounted up against the tree. So here we go.
Second Amendment, baby. But you're right about the hook set, but I guarantee he grabbed it. He ain't coming off just the way he hit it. Pretty. That's pretty. Tell them what it is, Cleet. What we're doing.
Oh yeah. Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you. He liked that little 1/8 ounce rooster tail. Look at that beautiful white bass. Let's clean him up and get a good picture of him. That'll eat one.
Yes, he will. Tell them what we do when people say I ain't eating them, they're trash fish. I mean, I'll tell you what, I'll take your trash fish, make some of the best grilled black and crappie, tacos. You dang right.
I'm gonna stick to my buddy's first fish tradition of letting the first fish go.
Thank you, Lord.
But if we happen to start getting on a few,
you won't see them going back in. They'll go with us.
Home. That's right. Thank you, Lord.
He wore them out. They'll take a while to come around, but once he gets it.
There you go. Oh, there he is. There he goes. Straight to your left.
Hey, right now, that water ain't no 58 degrees.
Is that him?
That's him. Probably a little largemouth. Oh, a male white. He hit that with a vengeance, boy. Come up in here. Got him right there where it counts, right there. He didn't swallow. A lot of times when they're eating hard, they'll swallow these rooster tails down. Anything's so frustrating is you got to kill them and you want to release them, but they're gonna die. So you end up keeping them. You know, usually I'll let these sizes go, but that's a good little fillet right there. It makes some excellent fish tacos. Thank you, Lord. But yeah, hey, Cleve, right when you said. Hey, right, holy bro. Boy, that turtle's over there. Cottonmouth country.